This is what I've been working on recently. I just run this here. This is Microsoft's old dynamic data display. If I click on 100,000 unfiltered points, you can see down the bottom left it says loading. So we can see how long it takes to just load up 100,000 points on the screen. I've started a new project called DynamicDataDisplay.Reloaded, where what I'm doing is I'm adding some DirectX rendering to the chart display. This allows for harder acceleration of things like this. For example, I'd use a whole lot of points with some instancing for just drawing the circles that you can see on the screen. This is taking quite a while. This is using WPF rendering. So if we wait till that finishes, which is quite a long time, you can see it's really bogging down here as it tries to draw all 100,000 markers on the screen. I think the problem with WPF is it has a canvas and it does a sort every time you add an object. Okay, that's done. So now we zoom out and it's a bit chunky. There it is. So we can zoom in. It's very slow, but you can get down to the 100,000 points that it's got here. So I've improved on this. If I go down to my DirectX marker colored by instance release, click on that, and boom, there it is. It's already rendered. That's 100,000 points. So if I close that, 100,000 is actually pretty easy for my new renderer. If we go in here and make that 1,000,000 points, click on that, wait for it to compile, run, click on this, and bang, there's 1,000,000 points. So if we zoom in here, these are actually more dense. Just for fun, what I do is I have a animation where I actually move all 1,000,000 points at once. So you can see they're all moving, and no matter how far you zoom in, I've done a little trickery here, they all move just 1 pixel at a time. So if you zoom out, they move 1 pixel at a time, you zoom in, they move 1 pixel at a time. So that's 1,000,000 points there. And so about the axis, I need to fix that. If I can reset that, so start off again. So that's quite dense. And you can stop the animation, reset, start the animation, or you can just reset while it's running. But as you can see, this is quite performant. I've got 1,000,000 of these markers moving around the screen. So that's a lot of fun there. It's very colourful. And as you can see, I can zoom and pan really easily. Let's reset these. So they start off coloured by their original position, but then I just move them around, and that way you can sort of track how they're flowing as well. So that's my Dynamic Data Display Reloaded project.